Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our professor, Dr. Ruel J. Olaybar. My report for this afternoon is about case studies in educational legislation. Our learning outcomes is to first analyze real-world cases involving educational legislation to extract key legal principles. Apply legal practices from case studies to propose solutions to similar challenges in educational management. We have key legal principles. The state has the power to reform the education system to improve quality, and teachers' and students' rights must be considered in education policy reforms. Why learn about case studies in educational legislation? Educational legislation plays a crucial role in shaping policies, ensuring the rights of students and educators, and maintain the quality of education. So this report analyzes real-world cases in educational law, extracts key legal principles, and applies them to propose solutions for similar challenges in educational management. We have real-world cases involving educational legislation in the Philippines. The first case study is K-12 curriculum implementation in the Philippines. So the background is the K-12 program was implemented to enhance the educational system by adding 2 additional years to basic education. Then some sectors opposed the reform, citing lack of resources and teacher readiness. So there mo na background sa itong case study nga for K-12 curriculum implementation in the Philippines. So we have citing lack of resource and teacher readiness. Then Philippine Supreme Court decision on K-12 implementation on 2018. The issue is constitutionality of the K-12 program. So, case summary: several groups challenged the K-12 law. Republic Act 10533 arguing that it violated teachers' job security and imposed financial burdens sa parents kaya additional 2 years naman po sa ah, formal school. Then the Philippine Supreme Court ruled that K-12 was constitutional and essential for global competitiveness. Then we have implications for educational management. We have case study 1, student discipline and due process. We have here the situation: a grade 10 student is caught cheating during an exam. The school principal immediately suspends the student for a week without conducting an investigation or informing the parents. The student's family files a complaint arguing that the school violated their child's rights. Then case study 2, special education rights and school compliance. We have here a scenario. A child with autism is enrolled in a public school. The parents request special accommodations, example, additional time for tests, a designated quiet area, but the school refuses, stating that they do not have enough resources for special education students. The parents filed a complaint with the Department of Education. So, key legal principles: we have due process rights. According to Goss v. Lopez, 1975, USA students must be given a fair hearing before disciplinary action. Then the second is education laws on student discipline. Philippine DepEd orders: schools must follow due process when implementing disciplinary measures. We have also here key legal principles for free appropriate public education, or that is called FAPI or FAPE, by Andrew F. D. Douglas Country on 2017 USA. So we have here in the Philippines RA 7277 Magna Carta for disabled persons or persons with disabilities. Implications for educational management. Schools must provide reasonable accommodations for students with disabilities. Teachers should receive training on inclusive education and special education laws. Then, for our activity, um, you write or you search for more case studies, reflection, and analysis instructions. Choose one of the case studies discussed above, or you have to identify the key legal principles involved. Analyze how the case affects educational policy today. Then propose a solution for a similar challenge in your educational context. For our conclusion, legal cases in education highlights the importance of fair policies, equal opportunities, and quality standards. By understanding these cases, educators and administrators can develop informed policies that align with legal and ethical principles. Okay, we have here references. Thanks for tuning in and mabuhay.